Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Tacoma tail light. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Ensure your Tacoma is parked on a level surface with the engine off. Always engage the parking brake for safety before you start working on your vehicle. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure replacement process. Next, open your tailgate to easily access the two retaining screws that hold the tail light assembly in place. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It should detach with a firm, steady pull, revealing the bulb sockets. Now, identify the specific bulb that needs replacement within the tail light assembly. Each bulb type has its own socket. To remove the faulty bulb, twist its socket counterclockwise until it unlocks from the housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out from the socket. Then, firmly insert the new replacement bulb, ensuring it's seated correctly before reattaching the socket. To reassemble, reinsert the bulb socket into its designated opening in the tail light housing and twist it clockwise until it locks securely. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle body. Push it firmly back into place until it sits flush. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two retaining screws, then test your new tail light to confirm it works properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.